Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Acorns for automatic investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy Acorns for automatic investing, begin by downloading the Acorns app from your device's app store. Open the app and create your account by providing your email address and creating a secure password. Next, verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, you will be prompted to answer questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. This information helps Acorns tailor investment options to your specific needs. After completing the questionnaire, link your bank account to fund your investments. The app allows you to connect your checking and savings accounts securely. Set up your round UPS feature if desired. This option automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. You can also choose to make recurring contributions to invest a fixed amount regularly. Decide whether you want to invest in Acorns later for retirement or Acorns Smart Deposit for automatic savings. Review and confirm your investment preferences. Acorns offers a variety of portfolio options based on your investment goals. Once everything is set, the app will automatically invest your money based on your chosen strategy. Monitor your investments through the app's dashboard, which provides insights into your portfolio's performance. Adjust your settings and contributions as necessary to align with changing financial goals. With everything set up, enjoy the ease of automatic investing with Acorns. Your money will now work for you while you can focus on other priorities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.